Hey guys, I'm showing you this Connect Infinite Deluxe cable, and this cable is actually, as you can see, comes in a really nice pack, protective one, and this cable is for the USB-C. So this one is the USB-C to HDMI. So these days, as you know, like many USB-C devices are coming up, and this one is this used for the HDMI, so they are removing a lot of the ports and only the USB-C is provided to do all that stuff. So this is actually very helpful to convert this USB-C to the HDMI. So I will just use it in a laptop and then I will show you. Meanwhile, I can just show like the quality of this braided thing that it goes here. It's really nice, and these are like the plated one with a high data transfer, and this one you can see is also like braided. So strong build with this USB-C. So let's go ahead and put it in the laptop and see how this works. So I'm just putting in HDMI of the micro. So this is a USB-C thing, and I'm just putting in the USB-C port here in my laptop, and the other part like this part will go into the HDMI of a monitor. You see, I put the other HDMI part in my monitor. So you can see that is a replica mic laptop on this monitor. So from this USB-C to the HDMI, like in my monitor, and then it's working here. So it's pretty nice. I can see like the clarity is good, and there is no effect of this like when moving my mouse or anything. That is particularly working fine, and you can just use it the way you want. So basically this is a very nice thing that you can have with the USB-C to a HDMI for your monitors and external display.